Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to easily create a QR code that directly links to your Google form. This is incredibly useful for events, feedback, or quick surveys. Let us get right into it. First, open the Google form you want to share. Make sure your form is complete and ready to accept responses. Navigate to the top right corner, click on the link icon in the middle. Check the box that says shorten URL to make the link cleaner, then click copy. Now we need to convert this link into a QR code. The best free way to do this is using Canva. Open canva.com in a new tab. Click on create a design in the top right corner and choose custom size. Enter 1080 by 1080 pixels and create the new design. Once your blank canvas opens, look at the menu on the left side and click on apps. Use the search bar to find QR code and select the app. Paste the Google form link you copied earlier into the URL box, then click Generate Code. Your custom QR code will appear on the canvas. Simply drag the corners to resize it to fit the frame. When you are happy with how it looks, click the Share button in the top right. Select Download, keep the format as PNG, and hit Download again. Your high-quality QR code is now saved to your device and ready to be printed on flyers or shared digitally. Anyone who scans it with their phone camera will be instantly taken to your Google form. If this guide was helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.